He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, today we're going to be taking a pre-brine corned beef brisket, and we're going to be trying to make some corned beef brisket burnt ends using the rub from GQue BBQ and their topper sauce. Okay, so hey, let's not talk about it anymore. We're going to use the Kamado Joe to cook our burnt ends on today. So let's get started. Don't go nowhere. All right, guys, so we're finished with our cook, and like as you saw, we did a corned beef brisket burnt ends. Okay, I gave you a close-up of it. It's nice and tender. It's nice and juicy. It smells fantastic. Let's go ahead and have a taste. Man, this is fantastic. The corned beef uh, brisket burnt ends simply fall apart in your mouth. The rub from GQue BBQ adds a fantastic flavor to the burnt ends, and also their topper barbecue sauce. Okay, the apple juice added a nice little sweetness to it, and the black pepper that we sprinkled across the top gave that perfect little to the brisket burnt ends. These will make a fantastic sandwich. Okay, they're not overly salty, like I said, because we soaked our corned beef brisket for a couple hours in some water, okay? Gotta have another taste. Well, I cannot say too much about this cook here. The Kamado Joe did a fantastic job of putting some smoke on the burnt ends, and it all came out fantastic. So this is gonna be fantastic. I might even make a corned beef brisket burnt end po' boy later on today, okay? So, well, hey, that's all we have time for today. Hey, if you're interested in getting some of GQue BBQ's rub, go to their website, GQue BBQ. I'll put the link in the description block, and down here at the bottom of the screen you can get the rub, you can get the topper barbecue sauce, and they also have a barbecue sauce that's a little bit hotter also, okay? So like we always say, where there's smoke there's fire, and if it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there, or some corned beef brisket burnt ends falling apart in your mouth. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker. Damn, you good.